Greetings to all. Thanks for this opportunity. First, I will tell about my team. I am Adishwari, a founder of the Millet Magic Meal restaurant. Of course, my husband is behind my bandbook. Actually, the seed which motivated me to produce this venture, Millet Magic Meal, is 8 years back. I was due to religious hope. That is, for Sai Baba, I was doing some puja. That's 48 days. That's called in Tamil Mandalam, one Mandalam. That is 48 days. I'm not supposed to touch any white rices. Before that, frankly speaking, I don't know anything about the millets 9 years back. Then I thought, then what should I eat? Being a South Indian, apart from rice, what can I do? That's replacement is either wheat. Wheat, I think most of the people might know that is gluten is there. So I don't want to go for a wheat products. Then only one solution is millet. Then I have decided, I have started doing the puja. That motivates me to stand in front of you. That 48 days I was consuming only one and only millets. From idli to idiyappam and rice, some rasam rice to biryani itself. That 48 days I found the dramatic changes in my health because of consuming the millet for 3 days. 3 meals per day up to 48 days. Then I thought, why don't we take this effect to the people who are all suffering me, because I know that so many people, ladies or people are buying millets and just go and dump in a cupboard because you don't know how to cook. So main problem is what is millet, second one, how to cook. That's the main problem. So what I thought, okay, that time I never thought I'm going to be an entrepreneur, I'm going to be a success entrepreneur like that. Just I thought, okay, now this I know how to cook from lemon rice up to vegetable biryani by the millets. Then my simple ideas taken, because I forgot to tell you that I'm an electronics and communication engineer. Before the marriage I was working as a lecturer in Polytechnic for 8 years. That times I didn't imagine that I would be going to be an entrepreneur in a food field. So now any one of my students happens to see me, they are asking, ma'am, how ma'am? From electronics and communication you taught us how to diode work as a rectifier. Now you are teaching and you are telling and you are making it lovable business in millet. That's what I am telling, all in our hand only. Then I will come to the point. Then I thought, I never planned to open a restaurant. I thought, okay, being a teacher in my mind, I thought I can take cookery classes for the people to help how to cook the millets. Then given the ad in a Mylapore paper like this, those who wants to learn about the millet, please bring me and come and join in my cookery workshop. So 10 workshops I conducted with my another friend. From 18 years girl up to 85 years lady has come for us that millet cookery classes. Apart from the menu, one auntie, her name is Sharda Ambal auntie, she asked me, Adi, that's not in your menu, but I want to make some porridge without disturbing my daughter-in-law. Then I taught her how to make a porridge by using millet, barnyard, kanji like that. So this is my seed. From this, my students who are attending the millet cookery classes motivated me. Now why don't you start something which helps us? Now I think before that second I forgot the name, that girl she told Unave Marambo. Then I thought, instead of so many people are telling go for a millet, go for a millet. Modi ji was telling last year, but I am telling every year should be the year of the millet. Every year you should be to go for the millets. Right? Then I thought, okay, then millets, how can we do? What can we do? That time a big question comes. Even I am telling you people also, if you plan to do something, first thing, what is the need? If I do that need, the solution will be getting. So what's the basic need? Lifestyle disorders, obesity and diabetic. So diabetic means it's better to consume millet foods. So instead of writing a books or conducting a cookery classes, nobody will succeed. Then I thought, why don't we make and give? See, I can give banana only, you have to peel out and eat. Like that. So I thought, okay, I can start the Millet Magic Meal restaurant. You don't believe, I am the only one chef. 9 years back, 48 years, I started the venture with 3 girls. I used to cook. I used to go and carry over the 100 rupees meat to my customer by going by auto 150 rupees. That time the motto is money is secondary. We are doing something which is needed for the society. So say something you want to do means be unique and just think it. It will be helpful for the people in such a way. That means that millets I am giving means most of the people don't know how to cook and most of the people doesn't have the time to cook. So I thought, okay, we can do. And how to present? That is tasty is outstanding. And second point is hygienic. And third one, it should not contain any preservatives. Just like homemade food. How your amma is giving rasam sadam, same thing you feel if you have eaten my rasam rice. So 2015 I started this venture with 9 dishes. Now after 9 years with 3 girls. Now we are having 2 branches, one in Alwatpet, one in Radhanagar. Around 50 people are working. And we are the highly rated restaurant, 4.7 for 4 years in Swiggy. And also we are having a 3 lakhs customers base for our millet restaurant. And main thing we are moving. Beginning I said only 8 executive lunch time. Now we are providing 350 items in exclusive millet. From idli to pizza, because everything when you come now its time is short, so I can't explain more. For each item have each story behind that. So I thought, can you please, so most of the girls are here, ladies are there, please tell any one of the daughters basing HP is below 10. Most of the people must be having a hemoglobin level below 10. What is it? Because of the intake of food. Ragi, these people will see a color only, they say they won't eat. So give any kind of the foods in the form of laddu or paya some kind or something dosa kind, you have to give it to your children. But ragi is a this is a precious thing for us, especially ladies, ragi and kambu. Ragi is a finger millet, kambu is the pearl millet. You can make laddu or you can make dosa. It's a highly iron content. When you constantly you are eating for more than 3 weeks, your hemoglobin will be shoot up at high. So definitely all the ladies, please, my request is please go for a millets and make sure that your food is going to your children at a proper time. So what I'm telling you is mainly, if you plan to do something, go for it. Age is not a matter. What you are doing, you should be very clear about. How, in which way it helps the people. If I'm doing some, I can see that PCOD is a lot of the other thing I'm facing nowadays. All teenagers are having PCODs. All because of the nature of food habit. Your health is not decided by anything. Your health is decided by the intake of your food. If you eat this high chi, what I consider now, how to eat to avoid lifestyle disorder. My thing is, I understood, she was telling like high chi, but my thing is like this. So if you decide to eat, first decide what to eat and how to eat and how to avoid the lifestyle disorders. Don't eat 6, 8 items of idlis together. Eat 3 millet idlis. As you know about the millets, it will fill your tummy because of fiber content. Even though you want to eat more, you can't be able to eat. Only 3 millet idli will fulfill your tummy and it sustain energy for a long time. Moreover, other items, rice and all having large carbohydrates. So one thing is, go for a final I tell one thing, if I am producing one laddu, that is ragi laddu, that is with ragi and jaggery and ghee little. If you give the ragi or something, children won't eat, you give in the form of laddu. So I was thinking, okay, if I am going to implement this one menu in my item is, in which way it will help the society. So whatever you are going to do, just think and be conscious in which way it will help the society. Thanks for the opportunity. Thank you.